up? It's me, Princess.
Hi, Nicole.
And for today's video, as you can see guys, ang dami na naman aming parcel!
We're back with another Shopee haul. But this time, it's going to be
Affordable Shopee Challenge. Pero yun nga, lahat naman ang binibili namin sa Shopee talaga affordable.
But this time, nag-source talaga kami.
Yes, as in, walang lalagpas ng 1K.
But this time, guys, sinakto ulit namin siya because it's going to be Shopee's 3-3 Consumer Day.
So, ma-enjoy nyo ulit yung piso deals, 10% off daily, and of course, our favorite, free shipping with no minimum spend. I-check out nyo na ngayon 3-3 para ma-avail nyo lahat ng yun. So, actually, mga random stuff to, pero nag-include na din kami ng mga home decor, room decor, kasi diba, nag-ayos kami dito sa second floor namin. So, kayo din, kung nag-aayos kayo ng room nyo, pwede itong mga recos namin for you guys. This one. Guys, kung alam nyo lang, meron na kaming gato, pero guys, look! Super hilig ko nga mag-collect ng mugs. Meron na kasi yung beige, di ba? Yeah. Ceramic kasi, tapos hindi siya nababasag. And super aesthetic niya kasi black marble.
Parang Dalmatian.
Ginoong also yung mug. Parang splatter. Pwede na ito i-display mo sa room mo tapos lagyan mo ng beads, tapos brushes. Affordable kasi in-expect ko yung mga gato 800, pero mga 300, 200 lang to.
Ah, okay. Look, oh, it's a box!
Yes, it's a
If you see this on your For You page.
Uy, bibili ako nun. Nakakatakot po magbukas ng cutter po si Madam.
Oh, sorry. Natakip.
Wow!
Cheers, Mare! Asan sa'yo?
Ay, return to seller ko na.
Cheers!
Baliktad. Cheers! Okay guys, sabihin ko yung kape.
Guys, I got this white ceramic mug. Alam mo ba't binili ko to? Uy, ano ba? The reason why bumili ako nito kasi may takip siya.
Yes.
Kasi ako nagtitimpla ako ng coffee. Like, ang tagal siya nasa desk, no? Tapos minsan, like, di mo ako nahuhulog. Pero yeah, I don't have a white
Ayaw mo na,
mug.
merong extra, dirt.
Ew! Less than 200 pesos lang to, guys. Kaya feeling ko ito na yung perfect mug for me. Parang this is me in a mug.
Okay, hi Nicole. It's you. What is this?
Oh, I just got straws from the same shop. Kasi guys, nakakailang basag na ako ng ganyan.
Na straw? Mabasag pala yung straw?
Because it's a glass straw.
Oh, really? Ba't yung akin hindi ko nababasag?
Because you don't have a straw.
Oh, you got two!
Yeah, two for me. Okay, here's yours.
Oh, a bending one. A bending.
I got the straight and the bent.
Oh, napaganon siya guys. Clear siya, so...
You can clean it.
Ay, makikita mo kung may madumi or what.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, have a drink coffee with me.
Oh!
Look at
We got another one.
This book, like for decor. Pero hindi siya totoong libro guys Parang carton lang siya, yes.
What you do is you display it sa table mo and then look, it's very maganda tingnan sa table.
Yeah.
And they have different books. Like, alam ko meron sila mga Chanel, Dior, mga ganon.
Mga white books.
Pang decor lang talaga, guys. So, yun. I've been using this non-stop lately since I love reading books. Sobrang recommended, guys, na magkaroon kayo ng book stand. Actually, kahit hindi pa books, kung
Kahit
study
iPad.
kayo or laptop, iPad, you can use
Yes.
this. And para nasa 200 pesos lang to, guys. Pwede siya i-adjust ng ganyan.
Ay, gusto nyo higa-higa ko. Huwag na kayo mag-stand higa nyo.
Perfect din to kung naghanap rin kayo ng pang decor or
Yes.
pang home room stuff nyo.
This one, ano to? Oh! Yung binili kong mirror. Actually, binigyan mo na ako ng ganito.
Pero sobrang sikat ng gantong mirror, no? Yung pag ganon-ganon.
Yes.
Guys, meron pa yung ganito, baka magtaka kayo, baka hindi nyo nakita.
Super nice neto. Very aesthetic din siya. And look guys, it's so pretty.
Oh, yeah, there.
Like that to. So, very affordable. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mirror, ito na lang yung bilhin nyo. Super nice pa niya. Very minimal. Oh! It's my shorts. Kasi diba, I have a lot of shorts, pero sobrang iksi. So this one, I got myself a mids.
It's like a Bermuda short.
Yes, it is a Bermuda. No, it's a Bermuda.
These are the type of shorts na you should buy kasi
My
it frames
legs
your
are,
body.
my legs are very
You
skinny.
should study your body before you buy.
But I got the size 25.
Pero nga, dapat ganyan.
Yeah, pero naman din ganyan.
Ang ganda, ha?
So
It's-
nice. The good quality talaga to, Yeah, it's only 300 pesos. Like, cool.
And I like the wash nga.
Yeah, wala kasi akong gantong color ng
Same.
maong.
Ito scalpel na to.
Oo, nag-improve na kami. May cutter na po kami ngayon sa vlog na to.
Ready?
Wow! Oh my God! Nag-libre din ako niyan, Nicole.
TikTok made me buy it. No,
Yes.
sumikat siya sa TikTok. It's the matcha spread.
Can we smell it?
Okay.
So, dapat bibilin ko din yan. Pero buti na lang binili mo. Binili ko yan para medyo busog ako. Sabi ko, ay, ang daming pagkain.
Ah!
Ay, amoy green tea KitKat.
Ayun, yan.
Oo, ganun siya. Ano kaya siya sa bread? Bread supplier, please. Pag
Sample.
cooking show kasi tayo ngayon, please.
Pero feeling ko masarap naman.
Yeah. So, it goes a long way.
That's
Makeup lang. How much?
100 lang,
Oy,
something.
bili ka 10 pa. Okay, so let's open this one. This one is not a white package.
We're going to open the parcel.
I am going to open the parcel. So as you can see, it's just a plain white.
Yeah, white plain.
Oh my gosh, okay, you translate, okay?
Okay.
I
Is that a
got-
pajama?
Oh my gosh, how did you know? It's just a sleepwear.
Pero it looks like a,
Pero
panlabas na
yes, I
polo.
feel like I'm gonna use it outside. So I'm gonna wear it. Bye. Anyway, this is just a polo.
Legit, pwede siya panlabas.
Yes, gagamitin ko nga. Ito na kasi ako, di ba? Pag-uwi na nga eh.
Sorry.
So,
Oh, my shorts!
yes, my shorts. So yeah, as you can see, it's very nice, the pattern. Actually,
What kind of pattern is this?
I think this one is Manila Zoo. I don't know what type of... No, this one is very expensive looking, but it's very affordable.
You know-
And it's also available in different colors, in red, green, blue, pink, and black and white.
Wow! You know the
Yes.
Uniqlo set pajama? It's like this, but this one's affordable.
Ito talaga yung mga hinahanap ko kasi malambot siya sa katawan. So, it's very nga presko. Hindi siya manipis, guys. In fairness naman. Presko pero hindi manipis. So, add to cart yun na to.
Do they have different color?
Yes, I said earlier.
Sorry.
Blue, green, red, and black, white.
Sorry, I
Oh my
wasn't
God.
listening. Oh, I think this is a practical find I bought from Shopee.
Shopee. Guys, mag-check out na kayo sa Tray. So, swimming ka, girl?
Hindi. I got this vacuum bag. You know what this is?
It's a vacuum that it has a bag.
So what you do is you put your clothes inside.
Alright. Oh, it's so big.
Oh,
It's a huge Ziploc.
Ziploc. So you're gonna put your clothes inside and then you're gonna use this para mawala yung hangin sa loob.
So it's like, compressed siya.
Yeah, it's like zip
So it doesn't
file.
take any space na.
Yes. Bakit para siyang tumbler?
Pero hindi siya tumbler. Don't judge the packaging by its package.
Oh.
So ganyan.
Di mo parang sapatos.
Yes, kasi nga, tumbler. Ay, gulo. No, this!
Oh
Look!
my
Ay, ang
gosh.
formal, a minimum.
For the
Ang ganda.
first time, nag-order ng gato si ate. Is this you or
Yeah,
what?
this is very me. Hi, princess. It's this you. So yan, guys. Size 7 available to.
Ang
So
classy
it's
niya.
just a velvet flat
I think
shoes.
it's not velvet. I
It
think
is.
it's
suede. Ganon. And then meron siyang gold chain.
Parang meron ka pang formal, no? Hindi ka puro
Yes.
sneakers.
Yes. Pwede ko na i-display sa room ko. Hindi gagana ko sa mga Pero ang ganda nito, guys.
Okay, my turn. This is my next parcel. It's a bag.
bag.
Look, guys. Oh, it's so pala, maluwag.
So, ay, parang waterproof yung loob.
yeah, it's also good for beach din eh.
Eh, maganda yan nga pang decor din.
Like, tatayo ko lang siya.
Tatayo mo yan.
Pwede ko rin siya gamitin panlabas. It's brown, so parang perfect siya sa theme ko.
Yes.
Parang
Portrait
nasa
mode.
170 pesos lang to.
Local.
Yeah, locally
Oh.
made. Okay, next parcel.
This one, stop that accent, please. Okay, this one, ano to, guys? Room decor ko to.
Oh.
Super nice na to. Actually, pinakita ko na to sa Instagram story, so huwag yun na pakita ngayon.
Ay, kailangan
Sorry,
tayo
sorry,
makita mo
sorry.
kita.
Huwag ganun.
Wait lang, this is a debut for your, guys, wala na siyang ngipin. Oh, I mean brace.
Yes,
Wala
I
siyang
have braces na, pero bibili ko sa Shopee, guys. Ay, hindi pa kami. Anyway, ito na nga, room decor ito. Pinakita ko na sa
Oh.
Instagram.
Wow!
it looks
How
so
is that a
cute.
good decor?
Okay, here is how it works. Yan.
Put your phone.
You can put your phone, ball pens, brushes, or
It's a
anything.
holder.
Yes, it's a holder. Ito yung gusto ko. Parang may accent lang ako sa room ko.
Wow!
So, bibili pala ako ng room muna sa Shopee bago ko ilagay ito. So, ayan siya, guys. Super nice ang room decor na to. Very affordable as well. Di ba? Hindi ba ako nahilig sa mug? Puro akong mug, guys.
Okay, here's my next parcel. It's very small.
Okay.
Can you read?
So, last, I know that.
Wow!
Wait, I have that one eh. Pero it's mine.
Yeah, I know you're not gonna make pahirap. So I got this. It's very cute, guys. So first, I got etong hoop earrings. Very essential siya for
The ears.
Yeah. They said na
It's non-tarnish. Actually, I have na accessories from them.
I know nga you have. But
Hindi siya nagta-tarnish talaga.
yeah, that's why I bought it na
And
for
what's
myself.
that?
Uy,
And here
sakto siya sa akin. Oh my gosh, for the first time may sumakto sa kamay
Yes,
ko.
and also freebie of bracelet.
Oh no, it's
Ay,
not
di
a
ba?
baby. Guys, can you see? Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya, guys. And sabi nga ni ate, it's non-tarnish. So, go na kayo guys sa gantong type of accessories imbes na yung mga mumurahin lang
Yung mga
talaga.
60 pesos.
Ooh.
Oh, another bubble wrap.
Be careful, please.
No,
Oh
my God! Oh my God! Alam ko sa na ito! Okay.
Wow! Guys, I know this is like a random find sa Shopee, pero kasi sa K-drama, di ba pag mga yung sa weightlifting, may mga nakaganto sila.
Pag mga sa kantin
Sa
or
kantin ng
school,
ibang
ganun.
bansa ganito, hindi ko siya na-experience sa school. Dito ko lang siya experience sa bahay.
Tsaka para ma-balance mo yung pagkain mo. You have your fruits, menudo, adobo.
Ang dami mo
na ulam.
Pero yeah, I got this. And sabi natin gusto din niya to.
Yeah, ako naman inspired by the military thing.
Yeah, so link below guys kung gusto niyo din mag K-drama vibes sa bahay niyo. Kasi pag tapos ka na kayo
Tapos
gagano lang.
ganyan nga, oo. Ako naman, since pinakita mo na yung plato mo, I have...
Plato din?
Oo. No, ganyan, pwede siyang pang room decor din or pwede siyang plato talaga. Pero this one kasi, gagamitin ko siya pang display sa room. And then, nalagyan ko ng mga accessories like this. Tatanggal na ako. Ganyan yung itsura niya pa. Super cute niya kasi. Super cool lang. Perfect lang siya. And it's babasagin. Talaga, ang ganda ng quality niya. So, yeah, babasagin to sa Okay, this is my favorite. Kasi I think available lang to in 2 different colors, pink and gray. And of course, ako syempre dun ako sa black or gray. Insulated tumbler mug.
Okay.
No, kaya insulated nga, para pwede siya mag-last ang aking mga inumin, kung malamig man siya or kung mainit, and hindi siya mag-moist. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ang dami ko ng mug.
Ay, oh my gosh.
Pero kasi... Oh, it's another tumbler? No. Oh, it comes with a dust bag though.
Wow! Oh my gosh, hindi ko in-expect na ganito ganito quality niya.
I have that one.
Really?
You wanna get me?
Ano yung wala ganito?
Kunin mo ako. So, kunin ko yung akin.
Okay.
Okay, so here's mine. Thank you for this stuff.
Can I see yours?
Okay, here's mine.
Wow!
So pretty. Support local, di ba? And good quality as in. Ang ganda niya. Hindi siya mukhang mumurahin.
And comfortable sa paa. Like, nafe-feel ko na comfortable talaga siya
Yes.
sa paa. Ang ganda niya, guys. Perfect for outside or kaya pag nasa beach kayo or
Yes,
just
I'm
errands.
planning.
Okay, this one next.
Oh, headband yarn.
Wala lang. Ang cute lang ng headbands na to kasi
Ang taba niya. Ang chunky niya.
Hindi, meron nga tayo mas mataba and ayoko ng sobrang taba. So, parang gusto ko lang gantong type ng headband. Like that.
Yeah, it's so nice. Ang lambot niya sa ulo. Hindi siya yung masakit dito sa
Dito
tenga.
sa gilid.
Oh.
There. Di ba? Ang cute niya lang. Guys, sobrang affordable lang nito and sobrang bilis ng shipping. Like,
Local ba to?
yeah, 3 days lang. Andito na to.
Yeah.
Palagi ko siguro itong susuotin. Lalo na kasi nagpagupit ako.
Ay, yeah! May sila pala hair niya, guys.
Oh my gosh, New Year! Walang
Sana,
braces, walang hair.
Yes, kalbo na siya. Ito sa akin. Ito, Nicole, alam ko magugustuhan mo to. Pero
Okay,
syempre,
akin na yan.
Look!
that?
It's a metal.
Parang pang scoop ng ice cream.
No, kunyari, lagay mo siya sa ref para pagkagising mo ng umaga, para hindi puffy yung face mo.
I'm doing that.
You have to like massage it on your face.
I use the jade roller pero feeling ko mas helpful yan.
Yeah, this is super bigger. And eto guys, 500 pesos to. Akala nyo guys, mahal na yun. Kasi yung iba,
Oo,
1,000
tsaka
na
bigat
to.
niya.
Ito na yung pinakamura na nakita ko guys on Shopee. Good quality siya.
Ang bigat
As in,
niya, guys. Sobrang ganyan pang deep off ng face tuwing morning, guys. So, iwan nyo
Yes.
lang yan sa freezer. Tas every morning, ganun-ganun lang kayo.
Yan, diba? May lunchbox din ako. Kung may lunchbox kanina.
Next parcel.
Okay, that's so big. Oh, ang dami clothes.
2, 3, 4. Etong flowy na Bermuda shorts. Hindi, parang mahaba na
yes.
shorts. Pero it's flowy. Medyo conservative kayo, guys.
Yes.
Ako kasi mahilig ako sa mga gantong type of shorts, yung medyo mahaba. Hindi siya shorts na shorts, like mids.
Mid siya. Di na neuter mids.
And yung tela niya, guys, maganda yung tela niya for everyday, for beach, or kaya for errands,
I like
ganyan.
that color.
Ganda, no? And ito naman, ito na yung shorts talaga. Beige na shorts and black shorts. Yan. Gagamitin ko yan sa Boracay actually. I just got this kasi ang ganda nila guys.
Akin yung mga black, guys.
Hoy, akin!
Ay, sorry.
Oh my gosh, wag na naman.
Ano to? Pang cereal.
Mag
Cereal
na.
bowl.
Ah.
Bowl na pamag. And ang cute na ito. May bear na I like cereal. I like it too. Oh my God, wait, Queenie.
Kinausap.
Wala na, ang lakas niya mga Korean. Imagine mo, may cereal, tapos may Fruit Loops. Ang kulay-kulay niya.
Papanood ko din sa mga movies. Like, dyan na sila kumakain ng cereal. Mga
Yes,
nasa mug.
nasa
no?
mug,
Hindi
diba?
na bowl.
Bowl.
Wala, iba to. Ang dami mug ni Ate Grace. Grabe. Ano na siguro yung ano niya.
Ay, may
puro
collection
mug,
ako.
mug,
Abangan nyo ang mug collection ko.
This is my next. At is this my last na?
No.
Full touch.
Oh!
Matcha to.
Matcha again? Oh my gosh, you're just a matcha lover.
Tada!
Oh!
Kasi guys, mostly instant matcha yung mga natatry ko. And this one is organic Japanese matcha powder. Ay, instant din pala.
Ay, lahat nga instant ng matcha.
Bakit sabi sa Shopee, di daw to instant?
Baka depende kung gusto mo bilisan or bagalan yung to. Siguro mga 3 days mong gawin para hindi naman.
Yeah, ibang powder daw to eh. Pero
Pero pure siya, no?
Puro.
Kasi meron ako try na green tea, hindi siya super green na green. Like, parang ako
feeling ko yan konti okay na green. I wanna try it with my iced chai tea.
Yeah, you can use my mugs. Kasi like mugs, guys.
Mini lang siya. So, kung gusto niyo muna mag-try ng matcha,
Okay.
good daw. Recommended sa TikTok to.
TikTok made me buy it. Guys, comment down below if gusto niyo gumawa kami ng TikTok made me buy it. Okay, guys! Oh my gosh, natapos din kami sa mga pinamili namin. Super, guys. Nag-enjoy talaga kami sa pang-unbox. Pero syempre, guys, hindi namin kayo kinalimutan kasi may pag-giveaway ulit tayo, guys. Woo!
So guys, there will be 30 winners of 1,000
1,000
ShopeePay credits. So sobrang dami guys. And you guys should join kasi nasa description lahat ng mechanics. Very easy to follow.
So guys, kung may mga nagustuhan kayo dito sa aming mga pambubudol, home decors, room decors, other stuff, i-check out nyo na ngayon Shopee 33 Consumer Days.
Yay! Links down below guys. As in lahat ng links nasa description. Also follow nyo kami sa Instagram kasi minsan may mga pahabol kaming budol. Like more on outfits tayo sa
Yes.
Instagram. Yung mga suot namin sa mga OOTDs namin. So follow us on Instagram. So thank you so much Shopee for sponsoring today's video and thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a
Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And click the bell button beside to be notified every time we upload a new video.
Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. All the links are on the description box below.
So check it out and we'll see you again next time. Bye!
Cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby.